In this quick guide, I'll demonstrate how to screencast or mirror your Android device such as Samsung Galaxy, Motorola, Xiaomi, and Google Pixel phone's display to your own 4K Pro Google TV box in two different methods. So let's get started. First of all, let's do it using our Android smartphone's built-in screencasting feature. First, make sure that you are connected using the same Wi-Fi, and then from the control panel, search for Screencast or Screen Mirroring. If you don't find it, then tap on the Edit or Pen icon and add it from the list of shortcuts. Now just tap on it, then your own 4K streaming device should pop up in the list. So just tap on it and select Start Now. Now you can view your Android device's screen on your smart TV. But in some cases, the built-in screen mirroring feature may not work in some smartphones. So if that's the case, then just open Play Store and search for the Google Home app. And install the Google Home app if you don't have it already. After installing, allow all the pop-ups and connect with the same Gmail account that you're using on your own TV. After you're logged in, go to the Devices tab, scroll down, and select your own 4K streaming device from Local Devices. Just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi for it to appear. From here, just select Cast My Screen, Cast Screen from the pop-up, and Start Now. Using this method, you can screencast any Android phone to your own streaming device. And to stop screen mirroring, if you're using Google Home, open the app again and select Stop Mirroring from here. And if you're using the built-in Screencast, you can stop mirroring from the control panel. Or you can also press the back or home button on your own TV remote. So that's how you can screen mirror any Android smartphone to your own streaming device. So make sure to leave a like, support us by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.